Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the iPhone. First we need to open the Zap application on the iPhone that is paired with our smart band. Zap application. Once the application opens, tap on the profile icon, then tap on the Amazfit Band 2 on the list of devices right here to select it. On this page, scroll all the way down and tap on the Unpair button. Right here. Then tap on Unpair. And once the devices sync, tap on Unpair again to confirm. Now tap on Got It. And as you can see, the Amazfit Band 2 disappeared from the list of devices on the profile page. Also, you will see this on the screen. Basically, it disconnected and you need to pair it with something else for it to work, or with the phone again. And also open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. And here you should see the Amazfit Band 2 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget to confirm. And it should disappear from the list of my devices. It's gonna be on devices list. Now we can close the settings, and at this point the smart band is completely unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.